depending on where you are watching me from. I welcome you back to today's lecture. I still remain your classic ZIZARA. So welcome back to today's lecture, okay? So today marks the end of parts of speech. We are ending nkeji asụsụ n'ụbọchị taa. Anyị na-emecha nkeji asụsụ n'ụbọchị nke taa. So, and today we are going to end it with interjection. Interjection, which is known as Ntimkpu, is a very short one, and we are not supposed to spend more than 5 minutes in today's lecture. So today we are going to deal on Ntimkpu, which is interjection in Igbo language. Interjection in Igbo language. Interjection in Igbo language, which is Ntimkpu. Ntimkpu. So, what is Ntimkpu? Without wasting much of your time, what is interjection? In English language, interjection simply means there are those words that are used to express someone's emotion. Just like the name implies in Igbo, Ntimkpu. 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 Ọ bụ akara ndị ahụ a na-eji egosi otu onye dị, ma otu ihe dị, ma otu ụbọchị dị, ma otu a na-eji ya na-egosi otu ihe dị. A na-eji ya na-eme express emotion, someone's emotion. For example, we have hello, hi all, thank you, ouch, amen, shh, shh. So now we are going to, I just try to, to write out just very few of them. There are a lot of them. I keep telling you, but I just try to bring out just very few of them. So we have to know what they mean in Igbo language. We have to know what they mean in Igbo language. What they mean in Igbo language. And we say hello. Hello means ndewo. 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 Hello. Ndewo. Hello. Ndewo. Hello. Ndewo. Hello. Ndewo. Hello. Ndewo. Hi all. Hi all simply means kwenu. Kwenu. Just like in Igbo, when you want to greet people, you say Ndi Igbo kwenu. Ndi Igbo kwenu. My people kwenu. Ndi nkem kwenu. That's hi all. When you're greeting, hi all. Kwenu. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Dalo. Dalo. Thank you. Dalo. Arch. Arch. Ewo. Ewo. Amen. Amen. He say, amen. He say, shh. 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 When you want to say, you want to tell someone to close your mouth. Shh. Shh. When you want to say amen in Igbo, you say, ash, ewo, ash, ewo. So all these things, just like the name implies, Ntimkpu, Ntimkpu na ha. They are always said out. They are always said out loudly. Most of all those things are said out loudly. Hello, ndewo. Hi, wenu. Thank you. Dalu. Ouch. Ewo. Amen. Ise. So these are the few ones we can see today. Just like I told you that this lecture is not supposed to pass 5 minutes. It's not supposed to pass 5 minutes. So today we'll come to the end of pass of speech. We've ended it today. So I thank you all for your active participation. So I thank you, and I say you should remain blessed. See you same time this weekend for another Ibamaka. Thank you and remain blessed. Bye-bye.